Morning everyone. Good morning everyone. In previous class, we already discussed about the abstract and the detailed estimate part. Okay. In this class, we discuss the method of building estimating. First example, we consider the estimate the quantity of brickwork plastering required in a wall 4 meter long and 3 meter wide and 30 centimeter thick. Calculate also the cost if the rate of brickwork is 320 per cubic and a plastering of 8 rupees 50 paisa per square meter. Okay. Then we go through the calculation part. Here the wall length given, breadth given and thickness also given. Okay. Here length is given 4 meter and breadth is given 3 meter. Height is given 3 meter and breadth is given 30 centimeter. We can write here 0.30 meter. Okay. 30 centimeter is equal to 0.30 meter. Then how can you calculate? The length, breadth, height is given. Then we go through the quantity part. It means we go through the volume of the brickwork. First of all, the quantity of brickwork formula is what? Length into breadth into height. Okay. So length is given, breadth is given. Length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter, height is 0.30 meter. Then quantity is equal to 4 into 3 into 0.3 is equal to 3.6 cubic. Okay. Then we go through the plastering part. In a single wall contain 2 faces, right? So the 2 faces need to plaster. So plastering we consider 2 faces. In case of plastering, what is the unit? In case of plastering, we consider only length and height. In case of vertical one, so the 2 face for 2 face we consider 2 into length into height. Okay, length is equal to how much? Length is equal to 4 meter, height is equal to 3 meter. Okay, so 2 into 4 into height into 3 is equal to 24 square meter. Here, suppose here given one face, then we consider only length into breadth. So here don't mention any faces about, only going through the calculation part, and we know the plastering contain 2 faces. So the calculation process we are 2 into length into height. The quantity is 24 square meter. Then cost of brickwork. Okay. Then the here give the calculate also the cost of the rate of brickwork and plastering. So first of all we get the quantity, then we going through the cost of brickwork. Here given per cubic meter cost of brickwork is 320 rupees. So here total quantity of brickwork is how much? 3.6 cubic. So 3.6 cubic is equal to into 320. 1 for 1 cubic 320 rupees. So 3.6 cubic is equal to how many rupees? 3.6 into 320. Then we get the answer res 1152 rupees. Okay. Then cost of plastering. The cost of plastering per square meter charges is 8 rupees 50 paise. So the 24 meter square plastering cost is 24 into 8.50 is equal to rs 204 rupees. Okay. The total cost of cost is equal to how much? The cost of brickwork plus cost of plastering is equal to, then we get the total cost of construction or quantity. So the total is 1152 plus 204 is equal to 1356. Okay. 1356 rupees we get the total quantity of estimation of brickwork and plastering. Okay. Then we are going to the second example. Here a diagram is given. Now the question is, prepare a detailed estimate of a part of a wall of a building for the given plan and section. Okay, here the question is given. The general specification also given here. The foundation concrete survey of lime concrete, foundation and plinth are first class brickwork in lime mortar. Then third one is damp proof course 2.5 cm thick. Then fourth one is superstructure survey first class brickwork and with lime mortar. 5 number is wall finishing inside wall only 12 mm thick plaster, cement plaster, and with 1:6, and whitewash and color wash also used. Here the general specification gives the foundation, which is maybe cement concrete, maybe lime concrete, but in this case only lime concrete used in foundation. Then foundation plinth shall be provided first class brickwork with lime mortar. Okay. So then damp proof course thickness is given 2.5 cm. Then superstructure, in case of superstructure, here also first class brickwork provided with lime mortar. Okay. Here the wall consists with plastering 12 mm thick with ratio 1:6. After that white was already provided, white was used, and color was also used. Then we are going through the figure. Here the figure is given for a particular wall which contains 6 meter length and 40 meter outer distance, 30 meter inner distance. At the plan at plinth level, it means plinth breadth is defined at 40 meter and wall breadth is defined here 30 meter. Okay. So total cross section is given by representing the single wall. Okay. Here the length is 6 meter for all section, lime concrete, first footing, second footing, plinth, then brickwork. But for all we consider the length is 6 meter. First only varies the breadth and thickness. Okay. So first of all, here provided the plan of a single wall. Then here length is 6 meter provided. Okay. Then plinth distance is 40 centimeter provided, and wall thickness is 30 centimeter provided. Then after that, here provided the cross section of the wall, single wall. Okay. First of all, remember that here the length of the wall is concerned. Here no methods is used. In case long wall circle method cannot be used and center line method we cannot use. Only simple process of quantity calculation just for example. Okay. Then here the cross sectional view. First we know, before going through the construction part, first we have to do the excavation. Excavation part. First we know, in case of excavation, length and breadth we consider in the basis of bottom part of the foundation. Here the bottom of the part of the foundation is what? Here the bottom part of the foundation is lime concrete, right? Here lime concrete is given, whose breadth is 80 centimeter. I already told you, here lime concrete length 6 meters, first footing length 6 meters, second footing length also 6 meter, plinth also like 6 meter, and superstructure 30 centimeter wall also length is 6 meter. So here only in case of the bottom part of the foundation is lime concrete. So excavation, first of all we consider the excavation part. So first, in case of excavation, we consider the bottom of the structure. It means bottom lime concrete's length and lime concrete breadth also. Okay. And in case of height of excavation, we consider from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level. From the bottom of the foundation to the ground level. It means in case of excavation, we excavate from bottom to ground level, because the ground or soil position is limited from bottom to ground level. Okay. So the excavate is needed for the bottom of the foundation to the ground position. So in case of excavation height, we consider that value. Okay. Here fast footing is given. Breadth is 60 centimeter. Thickness is 20 centimeter. Second footing is given 50 centimeter breadth and thickness is 20 centimeter. Okay. Then remaining part we discuss in next class. Thank you.